Law of vibration is very simple. It comes under the law of attraction. It is a simple basic science. Everything around is energy. All that you attract or detract is because of the frequency and the vibration. If you want to attract anything in your life, you need to be in alignment with your own frequency and the alignment with the frequency of the universe. That is true manifestation. If you want to attract something in life, you need to truly become. For example, if you want to attract love, you become love. If you want to attract healthy relationships, you become that healthy relationship within your own true self. So how do you do that? You download yourself. Do I have the verbal permission to download you? What it feels like on any level, how to be love, how to have love, how to radiate love, how to have and know that feeling of joy, happiness, and that you become and live and be in that joy, happiness, healthy relationships, optimum health, and you know the feelings of the same. You say yes to receive all these downloads. Thank you. Happy abundance and happy manifestations to you.